channel The Blush Babe. My name is Mrinmay and welcome to another video. It has been super long since I reviewed something, so here I am today reviewing for you guys these beautiful lipsticks from Blur Cosmetics. Now if you guys are not aware of what Blur is, so Blur is an Indian brand which is 100% vegan and cruelty free. They have reformulated their lipsticks and oh my god you guys, I am in love with them. So I thought why not review these lipsticks for you all. So what I have here with me is these 4 lipsticks and a lip gloss that I am going to be reviewing, swatching, trying out and everything for you to see and decide for yourself. I am not gonna waste any more time, so let's just quickly get into the video. So before actually moving on with the individual lipsticks, I am going to talk about the cardboard packaging that you get here. It comes with like very minimal packaging, which is something that I am a fan of. Here you will find the name of the brand, which is Blur. This is where you're gonna find all the ingredients, whatever is there in the lipstick. Also a few more detailings here and there, and this is what actually makes the box look very cute. So these lipsticks are actually for your lips, cheeks and eyelids. So they are multi-purpose. You can use them on your face, complete face, not just your lips but also your eyelids and your cheeks. You can use it as a blush or an eyeshadow or whatever you want. The very fun part about these lipsticks is whatever the hell is written on it. Let me read it for you guys. So it says, for your lips, cheeks and eyelids, yes, these Blur sticks are more talented than the idiot you had a crush on. I mean, wow. Now I am personally a huge fan of the brands that are fun and interesting and makes you want to buy the products, and Blur, let me tell you, is actually one of them. So I'm gonna dig right into the lipstick and show you guys how it looks like, what it looks like, if only it comes out of the packaging. Anyway, so this is how the lipstick looks like. It's very minimalistic and only the shade name is written on the lipstick lid. Also you guys, the names of these lipsticks, I mean, whoever has come up with these names, I salute you. I honestly salute you. I freaking love the names of these lipsticks. The names are not your very mainstream cliche kind of names. These names are super interesting, super fun. So the first shade that we have here is Control Yourself Sweetie. I mean, wow, what a name. I'm gonna open this baby up and this is the color of it. Such a beautiful brown color, but as brown as it looks here, it is very peachy kind of a color. Let me swatch it for you all. So this is what the color looks like. Let me give you a little close look of it. This is what it looks like. I mean, how beautiful is this? So these lipsticks are actually nudes and somewhat bright. If you're a fan of nudes, you have to go for these lipsticks, you guys. Talking about the texture of these lipsticks, they are velvety matte. They are not super dry, not completely matte. They have a velvet finish to it. I particularly love this color because I did not have any color close to this one. I never really go for peach colors because I think they just don't suit me the best, but this on the other hand, I am in love with it, you guys. The next shade that we have here is I'm Sorry, Are You Vodka? I mean, what an amazing name. This is like a very pinkish nude kind of a color. This one on the other hand is a peachy nude color. So I'm gonna swatch it for you to see, and this is how it looks like. Wow, what a beautiful pinkish nude color it is. Again, has a very velvety matte finish and it looks super bomb on me, I feel. This is personally my favorite pink nudes that I have till now. I have also used this particular color on my eyelids, if you guys can see. Then the next lipstick that we have here is Ladies and Gentlemen, Me. This is also very brown kind of a nude shade, but this is actually pretty light. It's a little lighter than the previous one and also it's not very peachy. So it's like a cool toned brown color, which I am personally a fan of. I honestly go for cool toned browns rather than the peachy ones because these ones suits me better. So yeah, Ladies and Gentlemen, Me. So the last lipstick shade that is my very extremely favorite is this one that I'm wearing on my lips right now, and the name itself is so amazing and sassy. So it says, Put me on your lips, not on your lying ex. Wow, that is something I did not expect, you guys. The name itself is super sassy and so is the color. I mean, what a beautiful red color this is. This is the color that I'm wearing on my lips and I am literally in love with this color. So let me swatch it for you guys to see. My goodness, look at this, you all. What a beautiful bright red it is. I mean, who doesn't love reds, right? Bright colors are my jam. So if you guys follow me from the beginning, you all know that bright colors are my favorite. I don't usually go for dark lipsticks, but rather I would go for brights and nudes. And so I freaking love this color. Everything from the texture and everything is so beautiful. The only thing I am not a big fan of is that the lipsticks look very different from when you apply them on your lips. Like, look at the color difference, you guys. It looks a little darker on the stick than it looks on your lips and you have to reapply it. That is well the only thing that I did not like about these lipsticks, but other than that, I think they are beautiful. Everything from the finish, the look of it, the colors, they are super amazing. So Blur already had these lipsticks with them, but they have reformulated it and changed the packaging and look of it, so it looks very beautiful and minimalist. Each lipstick retails for rupees 899. I am not really sure if the prices have reduced, but I'll put them somewhere on the screen, so don't forget to check it out. There is also a sale going on where you get like 4 lipsticks at rupees 1000 or 1200, something like that. So that is an amazing deal and you definitely should grab it. Also, let me know in the comments down below which color was your personal favorite, and I'm gonna move on to the lip gloss, you all. So this is the lip gloss that we have from Blur and it says, "Dude, don't touch my gloss." No, seriously. Get your own gloss. Don't use mine. I mean, I'm not a big fan of glossy lips, but I do need hydration. And this is not just a lip gloss. It's a balm plus gloss, which is amazing. So again, the packaging is cardboard, very minimalistic, very beautiful and chic. And this is, oh my god, the lip gloss, you guys. I freaking love the packaging of this gloss because how beautiful is this? So the shade that we have here is Call Me Daddy. Anyway, I'm gonna swatch it for you all. It's a very beautiful pink kind of a shade and I don't have any space to actually swatch it, but I'm gonna do that over here. And it does not really have that much of a color, but it's very hydrating, super hydrating. I love it. I mean, even if I'm not using it as a gloss, I'm definitely using it as a balm because it is super hydrating. So I would definitely suggest you buy this, at least one of these. I mean, the shades, the shade names are so amazing and so is the formula. So why not invest in a good lip gloss and you don't have to worry about your lips at all. So this actually retails for rupees 799. If the prices have dropped down, I will put them on the screen somewhere, anywhere on the screen. So yeah, those were all the lipsticks and the swatches and everything, price and formulation and everything of these lipsticks from Blur Cosmetics, and I will leave a link in the description box below. So don't forget to check it out and grab these as soon as possible. The sale will end very soon and I don't want you guys to miss out on it. So definitely check it out and let me know which one was your personal favorite. I freaking love this shade that I'm wearing and the one that was called Control Yourself Sweetie. I think these two shades are literally my kind of shades. So yeah, if you guys want me to review more such underrated brands, then please let me know in the comments down below. I hope you guys like this video, and if you do, then you know the drill. Give this video a big fat thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Comment down below your personal favorite shade and I would love to know it from you guys. If you are new to this channel, if you're seeing this face for the first time, hello, my name is Mrunmayee. I come up with videos every Monday and Friday at 11. So don't forget to stay tuned to my channel. All my social handles are linked down below, so don't forget to follow me there because I'm super active on Instagram. I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, stay beautiful, stay safe. Bye bye.